Hey, welcome back to the channel, you Kookz. My name's Lee, backwards that's eel.
My name's Sighlin.
Backwards Cy Otter. And this is Wander, the stubborn sniffer. Woof, 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 woof. Woof, 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 woof. And this is our home. If you lived in your car, you'd already be home. This is our home. Come on inside.
Welcome inside.
Welcome to the Vanny Ain't No Joke home. First of all, when you're looking at hashtag van life, it's not true. It's Vanny Ain't No Joke. Also, our van build, our philosophy was kind of just like shitty awesome, like the sticker. Why is this shitty awesome? Even though everything looks pretty straight, it's not the most straight, but that's okay. It all works. Spend more time doing other stuff than building your van. But we put some skateboard tiling here. That's pretty cool. It's skateboards cut up into old tiles. We got a fridge here. Got a little freezer section. That always falls out. Put a drawer here. This is all drawers. Just covered it up with like a little piece of fabric Cy Otter made. Cy actually helped make pretty much all these drawers work. I hate drawers. Still gotta hook up the sink. So I guess when you're living in a van, one of the important things is having an easy cooking solution. Boom! This is our easy cooking solution. Comes out of the drawer, bam, 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 and you're ready to cook within seconds. Not only, oh yeah, so also counter space, like it gets pretty crazy with Wander in here too. This isn't that much counter space. We wanted a little bit more. So this drawer, which always also gets stuck, becomes a counter. It's a counter and a drawer. It's awesome. Not only is this a drawer, table too. So it's multifunctional. And this drawer, when it's away, boom, watch this transformation. It's a composting toilet. That's me. Or maybe it's Cy Otter. And now Cy Otter could sit next to me. Come on, Cy Otter. And we can sit on it like a couch, kinda.
We never have, but we could.
Yeah, we usually don't sit like this. It's nice though.
It's pretty comfy.
Cy Otter.
What?
Oh yeah, other things to show you. This is also like a window we installed, and we put some skateboard tile here. Cy Otter's design, she added these great shelves which hold so much stuff, so much radical stuff. This shelves too. We put like a little shelf for spice jars and added a shelf here, and these are all like food cabinets. Boom, it's awesome. We also added these shelves, like extended this part, added these shelves for like towels and sweatshirts and stuff. What else can we show you? What else? I think that's pretty much most of it up here. Cy Otter, why don't you show them back there? Okay. People always ask us if we want to stay in their house, but look how comfortable this is. Nama stay in the van. That's what we usually tell them.
Welcome to the upstairs. This is our closet back here with hiding all our messy stuff, our storage, extra important paperwork. These are like recycled t-shirts and patches that I made when we were at a makerspace making some stuff. Yeah, cool way to recycle clothes. These are also curtains that I made with Reflectix, and there's thin slit on the inside and then blackout curtain on this side, and they keep it really warm in here. Yeah, there's the kitchen one. I can hand make them, side note. If anyone wants some cool shitty awesome window coverings, I got you.
These aren't even shitty awesome, these are really awesome.
Over here is a bookshelf that we used to read our books. Fan that connects to the max air fan and creates a cross breeze in here. Kind of extra storage up here.
Shitty awesome shirt.
Shitty awesome shirt. So these are 2 dimmer switches that we have to control the lighting in here. There's more lights down here, but they're not connected yet. Why don't you explain the ceiling?
This is cedar tongue and groove ceiling, and yeah, like you said, 2 different dimmer switches, the front and the back. This is from a picture frame we found at the thrift store. Also, what else could we show them, Sider?
The garage.
The garage. Also, we can show you the garage. Let's go to the garage.
Hi.
And we got Wander, just like his sticker. Wander. Ooh. Wag your tail, wag your tail, wag your tail. Wag your tail if you like the sticker. Home is where you park it, and when home is where you park it, you need a spot for your stuff. Welcome to
The garage.
Here is where our stuff is stored. This is the dog poop bag, because we clean it up sometimes. But there's like a crash pad and a bunch of skateboards, a street luge, snowboard on wheels,
Drawers, bro.
work drawer, adventure drawer, camping drawer, Wander's food and other miscellaneous stuff. So basically, I guess like separating the garage into this was really nice for us. We started out with just like everything just piled into here, and it was crazy. And even when you're just like working on your van, what? Whoops. When you're working on your van life's not a crime. It requires tools. This is my favorite one. I did a review on it. It turns into like a drill and a saw. Oh, it's so good for van life. It's my favorite tool for van life. Link right here. And yeah, that's all like tools and stuff. And this is mostly like climbing stuff and more stuff.
So
Helmets.
What activities do you enjoy doing?
Me and Sider will often find ourselves. Where do we find ourselves, Sider?
Climbing, pack rafting, leaves a paraglider.
Lots of ropes.
Canyoneering. Yeah, lots of ropes. Hiking if I can get them outside.
And we might be flying high in the sky.
I'll watch you fly in the sky.
We keep some of it. We like to keep our wet stuff. This thing keeps falling. We like to keep our wet stuff hanging off this door too. So we left like a little gap right here. So everything just kind of like has like, you can see the gap. There's like the perfect little gap for things to hang. That's important. You don't want to make it flush unless you don't want to hang anything. Whoops, that other door goes first. Anyways, Sider, take it away.
Okay, the base layer is Rust-Oleum truck bed liner. That's like a super thick, kind of sketchy type. Then this is like an upward motion to make reeds, and then we got a stencil of a palm tree and painted it. Stenciled the fuck out of it for hours all around the van. And then no one can see us.
You want to see our teeth?
Yeah, we got teeth on there to make us look extra intimidating.
Extra scary.
Extra scary. And then we got this little guy or girl that we found. It's a deer skull.
We're here on the roof. Kevin, the Kookz, is on the roof deck. So we built this to be able to stand up here and get stuff in and out of the roof box easier. We got the ladder made by Flatline Van Co. Shout out. And we just put like as many solar panels as we could fit, including one on the roof box. And there's a megaphone to make sounds, animal sounds. at animals or people.
How many watts is it again?
400 watts.
Pretty cool.
All my ever bins have had 200, and that's plenty. 400.
Oh, and the awning.
Oh yeah, and there's an awning on here. This is broken right now. Thanks for watching the channel, you kooks. My name was Lee. Backwards, that's eel.
And Sighlin.
Backwards, Sigh Otter. And Wander the doggy. He says woof woof. If you've liked any of the stickers, check them out at vanningaintnojoke.com. A few messages. Wander just wanted to say that only you can prevent forest fires. And we love dirt bags. Don't become a robot. Don't become a robot. And the future is the future. So don't forget that vanning ain't no joke. And now we perform our kook dance.
Ready, Wander?
A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm a kook, you're a kook, we're all kooks. Kooks, kooks, kooks. It's kooky over here. It's kooky over there. It's kooky everywhere. Kooks, 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 kooks. Thanks for watching.